If you've ever scrolled endlessly through a long PDF, wishing you could jump straight to the section you need, then you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to add bookmarks in Adobe Acrobat 2025. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to make your PDFs easier to navigate, whether it's for a personal project, college notes, or sending to coworkers. Let's dive right in and make your next PDF project a whole lot smarter. First things first, open up your PDF in Adobe Acrobat 2025. This seems obvious, but make sure you're in the right file before you start making changes, especially if you're working with several documents at once. A quick tip: Acrobat opens up in different viewing modes, so if your bookmarks or tools aren't visible at first, just wait a moment for everything to load. Now, scroll or jump to the page you'd like to bookmark. This is where paying a little attention makes a difference. Think about your future self, or anyone else using the file, and imagine landing precisely on that page. Adjust your view here, whether it's zooming in for detailed charts or zooming out for a full-page overview. Acrobat bookmarks will remember this exact view, so if you want someone to land on a specific paragraph or image, take a moment to set it up just how you want it. Don't rush this step. Getting the destination right now means you'll avoid confusion later. Next, let's open up the Bookmarks panel. In the left-hand navigation of Acrobat, you'll see a small icon that either looks like a bookmark ribbon or sometimes stacked squares. Click that, and you'll see the Bookmarks panel slide open. If you don't see it right away, try resizing your Acrobat window or clicking the More Tools icon. It's there just waiting to be found. This part is optional, but super helpful if you want your bookmarks to have meaningful names. You can use your mouse to select the text or area on the page that best describes the bookmark's destination. For example, if you want to mark a chapter title, highlight that title text. Acrobat is smart. If you highlight something before you create a bookmark, it uses that as the default label. If you skip this, don't sweat it. Your bookmark will just say Untitled, and you can customize it in a moment. Ready to create your bookmark? At the top of the panel, click on the New Bookmark icon. You'll see it looks like a little ribbon with a plus sign. Alternatively, if you love efficiency or keyboard shortcuts, just hit Ctrl+B if you're on Windows or Command+B on Mac. Another neat way: if you've selected text, you can right-click and choose Add Bookmark from the menu. Either method works, so pick what feels easiest for you. Once you've added your bookmark, you'll see it appear in the panel. Here's your chance to make it really useful. Type in a name that captures the section or purpose of your bookmark, like Budget Summary or Appendix A. Clear descriptive labels help everyone who opens the file. Give it a quick double check, press Enter, and you're done. Feel free to try adding a couple more bookmarks to get comfortable. You'll find your rhythm quickly. And that's all there is to it. With bookmarks in place, your PDFs will be organized, professional, and effortless to navigate. If this helped you, don't forget to hit that like button, leave a comment if you've got any questions, and subscribe for more practical, time-saving tutorials right here on the channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.